Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this here. This is a little, it says, oh, thank you for your order. It's a little set of little cool guys. So look at that. This is what the little guys look like. I'll open it up here and show you guys what it is and the little stands, I guess, and the little parts for it. Let's aim you down a little bit so you can see actually what I'm doing. So let's open these up here. Are there any, no real instructions. I guess it should be self-explanatory. So this is what the guy looks like. So it's like a little 3D printed guy that's printed really well. Man, really well. My 3D printer does not do this good. But you can see he's super ridiculously flexible, and he turns, his little feet turn. Man, even his little toes are articulated. Look at that. And then that, so it's really well put together and stuff. And you can bend his feet, so you could have him sitting down, I guess. Wait, where's his foot? Oh, that's that way. I have it backwards. So his foot is backwards. You can play with it however you want. I can just sit him up over here. So there, that guy's sitting down on there. And then I have another blue guy. Are they all the same? Looks like they're pretty similar looking guys. Their heads are maybe, I don't know, slightly different. But let's see. And then we have different pieces and parts here, which are, looks like little hands. These are the hands that go on them. I guess it didn't put it completely together yet, so we have to put it together the rest of the way ourselves. So let's see. So if I have a hand, I can put the hand in there like that, and then now he has one hand. So he has a right hand, so now I need a left hand. So I'm gonna guess, is this a left hand? Yeah. I'll put the left hand right there. There we go. Oh, I missed it. Oh, it's kind of slides in and out. As you can see, the little arm slides in and out. So there we go. Let's just put that, try this again here. Oh, it's a little ball, that's why. And then I will go, there we go. So now we have a fully functional dude with arms and hands. Oh, wait, oh, it's backwards, that's why. So there we go. So very cool, you can see there. So we got this guy. We have the blue guy, I think. I'm colorblind, so you're gonna have to help me on the colors. I haven't put his hands on yet. And then we have these two other guys too. So you get a whole bunch of dudes. This guy's like multicolored. Really neat. Oh, he's got a number 13 on him. Oh, they all do. So these are really neat. And I need to put all their hands on. And then we also get a little bag of other accessories here. So let's see what the other accessories are. So we have a little machine gun. So that can go in here, I guess, in his hand. I'm not sure how he's gonna hold it. But let's see, then we have a little knife, a sword. I'm not even sure what this little piece is. Then we have a different all these different swords and knives and pieces and parts. So I guess we would put those into the little hands and they would hold it. Oh, there's different kinds of hands. You can see some of these hands are open and some are closed and some are bigger and some are smaller. So I guess just to find the right hand for the right component, and then that's how it'll hold it. So like this one here, whatever hand this is the one that holds the sword. I think that's the one I have in there, yeah. Is that it? I've got the light shining right in my face, so that's why I can't see anything. But there we go. So there, I put the hand on that holds the sword. So really cool little dudes. I like these guys. So thumbs up for sure. These are fun.